I just love it, you guys.
I've been on top for a while. That's how I chip it to the moon. Fast car make go vroom vroom. Take it to the boom boom boom. I'm a visionary. I got the niggas scared. Bought a big paddock with a brand new wrist set.
Hello sweeties, welcome back to another video, and today we're doing Megalook hair. So inside of the dust bag you see that we get the hair itself and a goodie bag. Inside of the goodie bag there's lashes. You also get one of their melt belts. They give you an edge brush and 2 wig caps. So I got this wig in 22 inches, and let's get into the inside construction. You get the 13x4 closure. You get the 3 combs in the top, a glueless band, the back comb, the back lace tab, and the adjustable straps. Hello sweeties, welcome back with your little pretty selves. If you're new, I'm Sugar. Welcome, thanks for joining us. Go ahead and hit that subscribe button, the like button, and the bell, and leave a comment while you're at it. I'm real excited about this. I feel like this is a baddie little fall moment. Okay, I'm gonna get her all the way together, and real quick I want to show y'all the knots after I bleach them. So that's what the knots are giving. Okay, I did hit them with the bleach twice. Don't be afraid to do that either, because it just really gets it right. And I'm just ready for fall, y'all. I'm so glad it's here. Black set, full effect. Okay, yeah, so let's go ahead and get started. Okay, so I'm just starting on my ball cap. I just cut the ear holes. I like to make the ear holes as small as possible so that when I pull it over my ear, it really stays tight around my ear and there's not much of a gap, because I don't want my hair to be out on the sides next to my ear. And then I go in with my Ghost Bond. Now you don't have to do this, you could just do it with the Got To Be Glued, but I really like for my ball cap to be down as much as possible. It irks me when it's like coming up and there's like gaps and holes in it. So and then sometimes I go over it still with the Got To Be. It just really helps it stay where it's supposed to stay. I blow dry it and it's perfect. So before I cut the excess cap off, I go in with a cream contour shade and I just use a foundation brush. I go all around it. I go just a little bit past sometimes where I've glued it down, just so it's as seamless as possible. I did not show the palette, but it is in the description. I'm wearing white, so I didn't want to like get too messy and get makeup on my shirt, but I go in with the cream, rub it in real good, and boom, you got a ball cap. So now I'm going in with the Wig Extensions lace spray in golden, and I just spray the entire frontal of the wig and I go past the hairline. It really makes a difference because sometimes you leave a little bit more lace than you think, and it just helps it be flawless. So you can see what the big difference is once I spray that. And you do have to blow dry it because it is sort of wet afterwards. So hit it with the blow dryer, get it nice and dry. And then I'm just going to cut off my excess lace before I get started, because there's no need for it to be in your face, girl. So now it's time to glue it down. I'm going in with my Ghost Bond. Again, I'm going to do about 3 layers of this. Make sure it's as close to clear as possible before you lay your wig down. So this is the first tie down. You will notice that I tie my hair down many times during the installation process. It is crucial. This first time is just to get the wig in the glue, make sure it's down as much as possible, and then you just kind of go from there. So when I tie it down, I want my band to be as tight as possible. I want that wig to feel all the pressure, you know what I mean? So this melt belt, it was nice, it was cute, the Velcro was really nice, but it was just way too stretchy. If you noticed, I still tied it like in a knot in the back, and that still wasn't tight enough for me. So I think I do switch over to my old elastic band because that one don't take no mess. But yeah, like, I don't know, I think you're better off just getting the elastic from like Walmart or like a craft store and using that, because those really do the job. So this is how it's looking after the first lay down. Nothing special, like I said, just to get it in that glue and get it laid down. Now I'm going to cut my lace into 3 sections, and I'm going to go in with a razor. I feel like that's the best way to cut off your lace. It helps it be more jagged, but at the same time, you're cutting back as far as you can with that razor. Just make sure not to cut yourself. Now I'm going back with my Got To Be, and I'm spraying that over what I've done. It is to further make everything invisible, and it's going to seep into any of those lace holes like that are in the lace and just fill them up and make them look seamless. I will say, when I'm putting on that Got To Be, I'm spraying it, I'm patting it in, and I'm moving quickly, because sometimes depending on what glue that you use, your wig may start to loosen, and you need to put that on there quickly and put your band on and make sure it's starting to cement. You don't want that wig to shift in any form or fashion. All right, girls, so at this point you could stop if you want. This used to be my stopping point, but we're not doing that. If you want that lace to hit incognito mode, you're gonna keep going, girl, okay? So now I'm going back in with that foundation brush with that same contour shade I used earlier, and I'm just gonna hit all around that hairline because there might be like a cast or a whiteness or something where the lace is still trying to show you up. So you're just gonna go back and really blend that in, push that into every crevice and get it really nice and blended. Basically what I'm doing is going back and putting my makeup on as if nothing happened. So now I'm going in with my powder contour that I use, and I'm just going to blend it the way I normally would, so everything just becomes one. Okay, so as you can see, this is how it's looking. A lot of it has vanished, and you see some parts that are like a little bit crispy, as I would say, where the got to be got on the hair. Just comb that out to make it look more natural again, and then I'm going to hit it with the hot comb. Now I'm just going to use some Total Miracle Heat Protectant by Ozzy. I usually like to use the Tresemme, but I was out. This one is okay. And now we're just going to flat iron her out. Now look how natural that scalp looks. I love it. So at this point, after flat ironing, I use my Garnier Fructis Sleek and Shine. I love that serum. I use it on all my wigs on like a daily basis, sometimes throughout the day if they're like a really dry unit. And it doesn't gunk up the hair or make it feel gross or anything, and you can keep your install in for as long as you want. But it just helps tame the hair. If there's any flyaways, it kind of weighs them down. I just really love it, and if you'd like to try it, the link will be down in the description below. Okay, sweeties, so we've finished the install. I'm just giving middle part tousled vibes as usual. I just really love this. I didn't get a lot of shedding. When it comes to the cap and how tight it is, I'm fine with the cap. I feel like the glueless band on the inside is a tad bit unnecessary because it's not tight enough to make the wig glueless. It's just kind of in the way, if you get what I'm saying. It could be tighter. I did not pluck it. It just came this way. And it's really good and undetectable. The frontal itself is not like too dense. They kind of left that for the tracks in the back to give it the more fullness that it needs. The frontal is very natural. That's pretty much it, y'all. Like, I really had fun with this. I like this install a lot. I did no baby hairs today because I'm a big girl. No, no, I've been really enjoying the no baby hairs look. And it's also a challenge to myself to make it as scalpy as possible. So yeah, I just really want to thank you guys. I want to say thank you to everyone that helped me get to 1,000 subbies. We're over 1,000 now. I'm so excited. Thank you so much for liking, commenting, sharing, whatever you did on this journey. So our next big milestone is 5,000. I hope to get there quickly. Y'all help me out, help me out. But yes, everything from this video, no matter what it is, sprays, glue, whatever, will be down in the description below. If you're loving this wig, that will of course be in the description as well. Yes, I'm just feeling really good, you guys. I see some of y'all watching, y'all not subscribed. Go down there and hit that button, okay? Don't do me like that. But yes, I'll see you guys in the next video. Until next time, stay sweet.
Wanna be with